Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks on technology and apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the WhatsApp group invite link feature on your Android device. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family, and it also has a group chat feature that allows you to chat with multiple people at once. The group invite link feature makes it easy to invite new people to your group chat without having to add them manually. Let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the group chat you want to invite people to. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info screen. Now, scroll down to the invite to group via link option and tap on it. A pop-up will appear with the link to the group. To invite someone to the group, simply copy the link and share it with them manually. You can do this by pasting the link into a message and sending it to the person you want to invite. It's important to note that anyone with the link can join the group, so be careful who you share it with. You can always revoke the link by going back to the group info screen and tapping on Revoke Link. In conclusion, we hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to use the WhatsApp group invite link feature on your Android device. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.